What's up, people of the internet? Welcome back to my channel, Nova's Knowledge, and today we will be taking a look at a flat file CMS called Grav. We're taking a look on why good to use, pros and cons about it. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use it and all the different files in it, and just how to navigate it. Nice and simple video today, but before we do that, let's hop right into the intro. Okay, so to get started, we're working on Grav today, and like I said before, Grav is a CMS written in PHP programming that is based on Symfony Web Application Framework. You can use Grav to just create more simplistic websites because there's no database in it. So you could consider that a pro or a con. But anyway, this is what we're going to be showing you guys how to do today, and we're going to show you a little bit about the GUI today, but show you what's up, how the difference between the files and just editing inside the GUI. So to get started, this is after you've installed it. So what we're working today is Reclaim Hosting, and there's also another one that you could use as Reclaim Cloud. I will link both of those in the description. What those are is like they're just holding a domain for you, pretty much. So after you get that, then you can use your own domain while using Grav. So these links right here are going to be to give you to the website and to get you to your admin where you can edit it. But to start off, I want to show you guys the file manager real quick and just show you where the files and pages are, or the files are located for the different pages. And when I say pages, I mean these 4 different pages right here at the top: home, pros and cons, structure, and alternatives. It's like their own, they get their own part of the website, pretty much. So anyway, we're back in the file manager. You want to go to public HTML, because that's where you're working in right now. And then I named this project Grav CMS. So we want to go into this file and go into user, because that's where I'm using it. Accounts, config, data, pages, plugins, themes. Those are all the different things that you can implement while working in this. But we want to go into pages right now. And these are the 4 different pages that we have up right now. Ignore this because I changed the name of what I was working in. It was originally called typography, but not anymore. So for example, we'll go into home and you're going to see default markdown. And it's just going to open up in our notes the exact same thing that we will see in the user interface that we are editing in. So we have it here, and this is what I have coded, and it's the exact same thing that we have right here. That's pretty much the basics of the pages. You can code in that if you wanted to, but I prefer to code in the Grav GUI. So all of those are the same. I'm not going to go through them all because it'd be tedious and a waste of time, and you guys don't need to watch that. But I will show you alternatives is the exact same, just to show. But yeah, there, and that's your markdown language right there. Okay, so that's pretty much all that we're going to talk about in the file manager right now. So now we're going to go over into this is where you will be editing inside of Grav and not directly to the files. So we'll go to home right now, and I'm just going to show you guys what I've done. This is a picture right here that I have imported from my computer. But before you can use a picture, you just have to save what you're working on first, and then you can edit the picture or import the picture. So all this is just basic markdown language in HTML. You know that this is heading 1, heading 2, all that, bold, different websites and links or whatever. This is the home is just the basics of what we're doing in Grav right now. Now, next thing I want to show you guys is how easy it is to create a page or one of these top menus. So I want to make sure that I post this video link in this website that I'm creating. So we're going to go add page title. We're going to call it video, because that's the folder name that we will see in the files. And I will go back and show you guys it. Hit continue. Title is video, and this is a video link. So we're just gonna save it right now. That's not what I'm gonna keep it as. But like I said before, this page will not exist until saved. So it's very important that we save this. Now it's saved. Pages. Right, you know what we're gonna do? We're going back into the file manager. Go these correlations back into Grav CMS. User. Pages. There should be a video page now. And there's our video page. And there's our default MD. So that is how easy it is to create one of these static sites. So very simple. One drawback is there's no database, or that could be a pro. I have it listed as both a pro and a con here. But some other good things about it is fast performance, easy to create and control and update. But the one problem is that you really need to understand Grav more to start to really get the hang of it. But for now, this is just the really basics and simples of the video. So I'll quickly make this a heading. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Just a simple showing you the basics of Grav. We're using that on Reclaim hosting. A little bit of the pros and the cons. Show you guys how the code works inside the file manager and inside the specific files. And then showing you guys what to actually do inside of the Grav GUI. That, like I said, you can do them. You could code either in that file manager or inside the Grav. I prefer the Grav because this is more user friendly, in just my opinion. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you enjoying the content on this channel. Really appreciate it. But that's all I got for you guys today. So I will see you all next week. Peace.